Hey everybody, so on this one we ended up losing a lot of the audio feed to the in-cockpit GoPro, so we didn't get all the cool in-cockpit commentary that we were doing, talking about what was going on, so I apologize for that. So I thought I'd throw a quick one in here. What we did was we flew to Calusa to meet up with Jeff, and we wanted to see how the airplane would perform off airport at full fuel. So we completely topped off the tanks with gas and had both Ryan and me on board. So we were at about our heaviest point that we would fly at. So the gravel bars we went to were some big ones, and we even landed on an island. So that was cool. But it's, an island in the same way that, Australia is an island, pretty much. It's pretty big. But we had a ton of fun, so come on along, enjoy.
All right, so I'm headed out to the hangar up at Auburn to meet up with John Kluenker. We're going to take the Kit Fox and meet up with Jeff Perdue and hit some sandbars off the Sac River today, so should be a lot of fun. Check it out.
Here comes Jeff on final into Princeton. Nice, brother.
just closed the doors, so we're good to go.
Here I go. I'm going to just pass you up on the left.
So.
Yeehaw!
Oh yeah! You happy to hear my voice back here, Jeff?
Yep, glad you guys, I hope I didn't spray you or anything, did I?
We're the budget fox. A couple pits in the paint, it's all good.
Man, there's also some tracks right here on this side.
Oh yeah,
right down
a lot less
debris too.
Yeah, I know, I saw that.
Almost looks like the edge will
I'll do a
be.
little flyby over that and see what it looks like.
Yeah, sounds good. Let me know when you're slowing up.
Okay, I'm slowing it up now. I'm starting to put some flaps in.
As am I.
This video is going to be epic, dude. Epic.
Make sure I stay above his wake, especially when you're slow and in a turn like this.
Alright, Jeff, do you feel up to this one?
I think so.
Alright. Why don't you go first, and then we'll kind of, if you want, I can film you.
Okay, that works. And then just, you know, if I have to go around, I have to go around.
Yeah, I'll bail. I'll keep you on, you know, the right side of my airplane, and then I'll bail to the left.
Better.
The very end there looks like it might be a lot softer. Did you notice how much deeper that groove was of that tail wheel?
Yeah.
Towards the river more?
Yep, I saw that. Thanks, dude.
It is kind of soft up here for the tail wheel, but it's doable.
Okay, cool.
Nice, dude.
Thanks,
That
man.
was freaking nice.
Cool. We got to actually add power to get over to Jeff. Sweet. That was fun, man.
Yeah.
This place is cool.
Pretty soft. Yeah, so you're probably better off turning it around here. I'm contemplating. I don't know. Let's talk. I mean, the landing's no problem. Yeah, but the further I went down, look at the trench I'm digging with my tail wheel, man. Yeah. And you're digging way less of a trench up here, so I wanted to make sure you guys didn't bother taxing all that way.
Yeah, thanks.
And I'm buried. My tail wheel's buried pretty good.
Yeah.
So I wanted to catch you guys before you came down there.
I've got the need for stoles.
The only way to know you're going straight is to kind of keep an eye on the trees, look for any like rotation left or right. The lower the nose, we'll be able to see those bushes. You'll stay left
in an orbit around this tree island here.
Sounds good. Good to go. And it's probably going to take full forward stick to really get that tail up. Should I still on stick
It was a
monitor?
little softer on the initial roll than I was expecting. Once I got the tail up, it definitely felt better. Not great, but better.
Yeah, man, you got that tail up nice and quick. It'll be a lot harder with this extra weight. There we go, we're rolling nicely. Pat right rudder, looking good. No, not nice and straight.
You guys go
More to the right.
break to the left.
And now lower that nose, got plenty of space. Get that nose low. There we go. And you got speed, and you clip it. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, man.
62. 400 foot.
Now we can roll once we're clear of the trees. It was a long takeoff, but hey man, it worked. Even at this weight and this heat, so that's good. Now you can clean up the flaps. And that was my takeoff, Jeff.
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. So that is exactly what we bought this airplane for.
Today was awesome. For sure.
So no squawks, plane did great, figured a couple things out with it, and man, she's flying great. And go, dude.
I did my first takeoff with a sandbar ever, so that was pretty awesome.
Oh yeah, crazy amounts of fun. Thanks for coming along. That was just, oh my gosh, giddy-inducing fun. Giddiness-inducing fun. Yes. Look at that pretty budget Fox. Oh my goodness. See ya!